Hey guys, this is Mrs. Bibler, and I wanted to check in with you today. First of all, I want to let you know that I'm super proud of you guys. You've been getting on every day, doing your daily warm-ups, completing your daily assignments. One reminder I have for you is that you cannot base all of your assignments off of your calendar. So I know when you open up your Schoology page, you have your calendar there, and it does list assignments. However, those are the assignments that I typically am taking a grade on. What you need to do is to go to your Science Schoology page, open up that day's folder, and complete the assignments inside. Every folder has a daily instructions that will lay out what I want you to do for that day. So be sure that you're doing that. If not, you're not going to have the notes, you're not going to have the vocab and the materials that you need in your notebook to be prepared for everything in the future, okay? So make sure you're always going to the science page, opening the folder for that day, and then also completing the daily warm-up for that day. Your discussion for today is I would like for you to tell me a scientific question that you have. So it could be anything. It could be something huge, something major, something minor, just some kind of question that you have that could be solved by science. So a question that I have is based off homemade ice cream makers. So growing up, my grandparents would always make homemade ice cream. They did it all the time in the summer. We even did it in the winter sometimes. And I helped them mix up all the materials, and we had a liquid and we would pour it in a container. And then we would take that container and we'd set it inside a machine. And around the outside of that container, we would put ice and we would dump salt. And then we would put a lid on, we'd turn the machine on, and it would spin and turn for a while. And after so long, we would check it, and the liquid had turned into a solid substance, and it was now ice cream. And my question is, why do you add salt to ice in an ice cream maker? So to solve that, I'd have to do some research, make a hypothesis, do an experiment, maybe try an ice cream maker without the salt in the water, and then try one with the salt in the water, see what my results turned out to be. So I don't want you to give me the answer to my question. I want you to give me a question that you have that can be solved with using the scientific method.